Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify image optimization for UI with Cloudinary, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Cloudinary account. Navigate to the Media Library section of your dashboard. Select an image that you want to verify for optimization. Click on the image to open its details view. Once the image loads, look for the option labeled Transformations. Here, you can view any existing optimization settings applied. To check the current file size, locate the file size information. Next, view the format of the image to confirm if it is web-friendly. To optimize the image further, click on the Edit option located near the transformation settings. You can choose different transformation styles, such as compression or format conversion. Select the desired output format from the drop-down menu. Adjust the quality slider to set the compression level. After making changes, click on the Apply button to save your optimization settings. Now, revisit the image details to view the updated file size. Check for the new format and size changes reflecting in real time. For additional verification, use the Preview feature to assess image quality post-optimization. If satisfied, you can generate a new URL for the optimized image. Copy the new URL for use in your UI elements. Consistency in optimization will improve overall UI performance. Be sure to test the user experience with the optimized images across different devices. Finally, monitor loading speeds and visual quality to ensure optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.